Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a glider in RogueBlox. First, you need to understand the fundamental requirements. Begin by locating the specific vendor or crafting station within the game world where gliders are available. It's crucial to ensure you possess enough in-game currency or the necessary crafting materials before proceeding. This initial preparation will save you time and effort as you embark on your aerial adventures. To acquire your glider, gathering resources is a key step. You can earn valuable in-game currency by completing a variety of quests and challenges offered throughout the world. Additionally, exploring diverse zones will often lead you to discover essential crafting components. Don't forget to participate in any special events, as these often provide excellent opportunities for rare material drops or unique rewards that can aid your progress. Once you have your resources, you have two main paths: crafting or purchasing. If crafting, carefully follow the recipe at a designated crafting station, ensuring all components are correctly used. Alternatively, you can buy your glider directly from a specific vendor. Remember to explore the different glider types available. Some offer enhanced speed, while others might provide better maneuverability, tailoring your flight experience to your preferences. Congratulations on getting your glider. Now, equip it from your inventory or character screen. The next step is to practice launching and controlling it effectively to master aerial movement. Spend some time getting comfortable with its mechanics. As you progress, keep an eye out for potential upgrades. These enhancements can significantly improve your glider's speed, increase its flight duration, or boost its overall maneuverability, making your journeys even more thrilling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.